I've been framing for 32 years.
I've been framing for about 20 years now.
After using this Makita gun, we've had very limited issues.
They get dropped, it doesn't bend, and it's fast.
El peso es bueno, no es pesado, es más liviano que las otras pistolas anteriores, es mejor.
Again, it goes back to being dependable, reliable. They don't break, they last, and they take abuse from the job sites. I've been happy with Makita. I wouldn't go to anything else now.
Me gusta cómo trabajan, me gusta cómo clava, la eficiencia, la rapidez, el momento de deslizarla. Eso es rápido.
Hasta hoy llegó Makita para quedarse, creo, y es mejor para nosotros. Desde que llegó Makita, es mejor.
As far as the gun itself shoots, it's awesome. And it's tons of power. You only have to shoot it once to realize that it's going to work good.